Today we'll be showing you how to install the HPS Performance air intake system for the 2018 to 2021 Honda Accord 2.0 Turbo. Disconnect the negative battery terminal. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove the 4 plastic clips shown. Next, pull up to remove the air scoop from the engine bay. Use a small flathead screwdriver to release the green wire harness clip. Then disconnect the mass airflow sensor electrical connector from the sensor. Loosen and disconnect the hose clamp from the stock intake tube using a Phillips head screwdriver. Unbuckle and remove the air box, then remove the air filter. Loosen the 2 bolts holding the lower air box, then remove the lower air box from the engine bay. Loosen and remove the bolt shown to disconnect the resonator from the bracket. Loosen the 2 remaining bolts to remove the resonator bracket from the engine bay. Loosen and remove the bolt next to the airbox resonator. Remove the metal sleeve from the rubber grommet, then remove the grommet from the resonator. Install the Z-shaped bracket using the original bolt that was removed. Install the L bracket to the right side of the heat shield using the provided M6 bolt and washer. Install the remaining bracket onto the left side of the heat shield using the provided M6 bolt and washer. Install the edge trim onto the opening of the heat shield. Measure ½ inch from the corner, then install the edge trim as shown. Use a flathead screwdriver to stretch the edge trim around the corners. Install the edge trim onto the lid of the heat shield. Carefully remove the mass airflow sensor from the factory airbox. Then install it onto the HPS intake pipe using the provided M4 screws. Slide the provided sleeve into the intake pipe. Slide the silicone coupler and T-bolt clamps onto the intake pipes as shown. Insert the heat shield into the engine bay and secure the left side bracket using 2 provided M6 bolts and washers. Install a M6 bolt and washer to secure the Z and L-shaped brackets. Place the air filter into the heat shield. With the mass airflow sensor facing forward, insert the intake pipe through the opening and attach it to the air filter. Rotate the intake pipe to allow access to reconnect the mass airflow sensor. Slide the coupler onto the factory inlet tube and secure the T-bolt clamp. Now tighten the clamp onto the air filter. Place the lid onto the heat shield and secure it using the 4 M5 screws provided. Next, Reinstall the factory air scoop. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal.